AI360studio.com, in collaboration with AI Varsity USA, introduces the 31 Days AI Monetization Challenge, a groundbreaking, hands-on experience to help you start making money with AI tools, even if you've never used AI before. This is not just another challenge. It's your fast track into the new digital economy. Here's how it works. Every day for 31 days, you'll be introduced to one powerful, easy-to-use AI tool. You'll learn what the tool does, you'll see how it works in just a few minutes. And most importantly, we'll show you 7 simple ways to monetize it immediately. These are tools that can design logos, write sales copy, create videos, build websites, generate voiceovers, produce podcasts, automate tasks, and even launch full-scale apps with zero tech skills. And every day, you'll get one step closer to building real income, real confidence, and real results using AI. No fluff, no hype, no overwhelm, just 31 tools, 31 income strategies, and a clear path to take control of your financial destiny. This is your opportunity to get in the game, while everyone else is still watching from the sidelines. You don't need experience. You don't need capital. You just need the decision to start. So don't wait. Join the free 31 Days AI Monetization Challenge now at ai360studio.com/challenge. Brought to you by ai360studio.com and AI Varsity USA, empowering everyday people to win in the age of AI. 31 tools, 31 strategies, one unstoppable you. Let's build, let's launch, let's monetize AI.